Hey everyone, welcome back to another MINISO haul. So I again did some damage, but this time I have got really interesting stuff and something which I have already bought earlier and I just wanted to buy another time. So let's find out what all I bought from MINISO. And I went to Delhi, Ambience Mall, Vasant Kunj, MINISO, if you're wondering where did I go. So that's the place where I go all the time. So I just went, bought few things, and I'm quite interested to show you guys. So let's get started. So first thing which I bought is something for my kid, and this was totally my husband's pick. And I must say you should definitely try kid stuff from MINISO. So this is a very cute soft toy which I bought, and this was for, I don't know how much it was for. Okay, wait, I'll tell you the price if I will be able to. I think it was for 450. Yeah, it is for 450. But guys, the quality of it is so soft, so good that my kid has a lot of allergies. So I try to keep furry toys away from him. So this was like the first purchase and it's good. He likes it. He loves using it. So that is why I bought another soft toy. So this is another soft toy which I bought. Actually, they were sitting like this on the counter. So again, I was like, okay, let's just buy it. And this one is also for 450. It's not expensive. So definitely, generally we end up going to Hamleys or any good store which is there in the mall. Generally in the malls you'll get expensive only, so we generally end up going to Hamleys. And I'll tell you, if you compare Hamleys soft toys with the toys which I got from MINISO, they are any day much better in quality, and for the babies I feel it is very gentle, really nice. So saying that, let's move on to another product. Sorry for the last little shake, my kid just moved my tripod. Okay, let's move on to another product which I bought. It's a repurchase. This is a MINISO pouch. I have already bought one pouch same like this in a different shade altogether. So I bought this pouch because this is a huge, humongous pouch, and I love pouches. And not that I love pouches and I got it, it's just that it's quite handy for me because when I travel I need a lot of pouches to segregate things, and this pouch costed me 290 rupees. So again, a good buy, really nice. You should try MINISO pouches. Next stuff is for my kid only. Actually, I bought a sipper bottle for him. He has 2-3 sippers, but I got this one because this was like a little bigger in size, and the cost of it was 350. The quality is nice. So for the kids, you actually see the quality first, then the price. So for the price and the quality, I was like, let me just grab this one, because the ones which I've got from First Cry, they are really good, but they are a little expensive. So I thought, let me just buy one bottle, and it comes with its own handle, so he can use it later. Not now use, but later he can use it, because that time MINISO may, if you buy something today, you may not get it next week. So it's like that also. But there are certain products which keep on repeating. Okay, let's move on to another interesting product which I got from my husband. Is men fragrance. Now I've not opened it, so I will not be able to show you. This is for 490 and it is a sports men's fragrance. Now there were many perfumes there, but I liked this one personally, and it's small bottle. So the best part is that since it is small, you can use it and finish it off faster. Saying that, let's move on to another interesting product which I really wanted to buy from the longest time, and I don't know why I don't buy it, but then since I saw it in MINISO, I thought, let me just grab it. So this is the cosmetic accessory heart-shaped makeup brush cleanser. This is how it looks. And I really wanted to have this one because I wash my brushes using my hands only. So I wanted something like this because I have a lot of brushes and at times my hands start hurting, and I feel this will do a much better job than my hands. So that is why I got this. This is for 260 rupees and it is huge, humongous size. So this is like, I'm really interested. I will be using it soon. Okay, now another is a repurchase which I did is the MINISO Pro Fine Round Makeup Brush, Powder Brush. Now you have already seen me using this brush in a lot of my videos. I repurchased it. Basically, I went to see if they have any more brushes in this particular range, but they had only this brush. So I bought this one more brush. One more brush I bought. Next, I bought some socks. So MINISO has a lot of no-show socks. So I bought this pair. 3 you will get for 190 rupees. That's a good deal. So I got 3. One is grey, one is black, and one is skin. I wear a lot of bellies. So that is why I bought these set. And then I bought ankle length socks because I wear socks in the house also. I'm not a person who loves to wear slippers. So I wear socks, and the reason me buying socks for myself was another because my feet are very terribly cracked if I don't wear socks. Even in slippers, my feet tends to crack. So that is why I wear socks. And then I got another pair, ankle length only for my husband. So men's will cost you 150, you get 2 pairs, and this one costed me again 150 and I got 2 pairs. So it's a good deal because the quality is good. See, just don't buy products because it is cheaper. Buy products because the quality is good, because even if I'm putting my 100 rupees, I might as well get a good product. Next, I bought a very cute cleaning stuff. So this is I don't know what you call it as. This is I don't know, as much as I understand, it is a microfiber cleaning cloth, something like this. I have something like this in a hand shape, but I wanted something like this because I do dusting like almost every day. And now I'm thinking, why did I buy only one? I should have bought at least 2. I don't know what was going into my head. So I got this one. You can hang it and it's cute. It's nice. So I told you when I started the video, I've got some interesting products. You have to watch it out. Okay. Next, I got this multifunctional manicure kit. The purpose of buying this kit was the nail cutter and the plucker which it has. Now they had these things separately also, but they were 190, 250. So this set costed me 290 and I got everything. You see that? I'm getting everything. I'm getting 2 nail cutters, small scissor. I needed a tweezer basically. That is why I got this whole set, and then these 2 things. So in a way, it's a good deal, and you get it with this kind of a thing, so you can actually carry it anywhere you want. So it's a nice buy. I really like it. I think we are down to 3 products more. Okay. Oh, this is the most interesting thing which I bought from MINISO this time, and I saw this on Harper Bazaar, somebody using it, or Vogue. I follow these 2 channels on YouTube. So one of the celebrities were using this kind of a thing on their face, something like this. Now basically you see this girl massaging her face. Basically it's to massage your face from down below to give a precise jawline. If you keep doing it, you may see a difference. I don't know, I've not used it, guys, so I cannot comment. And these 2 things, again, the instructions are given here. So let me use it. I'll let you know how do I feel about it. So I've still not used it. I've just got it and I'm just showing it to you guys. Next I got a doormat. So you get amazing doormats in MINISO. Amazing means amazing and very inexpensive, very high quality doormats. So I got this one. I don't know. I think I have to cover up my face. I'll try to post pictures or something from far away. And this was for 200 rupees. But it's a very good quality doormat. I've still not used it. So earlier also I have bought 1 or 2 doormats from them and they're really good. The best part about them, they are anti-slip and they're really good quality. The fiber which is used on top of it is microfiber, so it's good. It's going to soak up any wet thing. So that is why I just got 1 extra backup. Next is a gifting item which I bought from MINISO for one of my friends. So this is the set. This is the MINISO cow tableware set. Basically, it's a 4-piece set which will cost you 450 rupees. I thought, let me just open the box and show it to you. So you get something like this. It's like a bowl like of this. And then you get a bigger bowl to feed the baby like this. You can use both for feeding purposes. Then you get a cup. It's a very cute cup. This. And then you get a spoon also with it, like this. See that? So I got this for one of my friend's baby. I want to gift it to her. So this is the set which I bought, and this is for 450 and you get 4 pieces. So it's a good deal. Like for MINISO, if you go, it is a very good place for gifting purposes also. Since I bought so much of stuff, my total bill was 4,700. Yeah, and I got an umbrella also, which I don't have Maybe I'll just show it to you. Wait. So I got the umbrella to show you guys. So this is how the umbrella is. It's a long umbrella. It's like this. I've still not used it. And this umbrella will cost you 450 rupees. But I must tell you, for 450 you're getting a very good quality umbrella. There are umbrellas which I've seen for 1000, 2000, 3000 also. Because I went to Home Center also to see umbrellas. But then I felt MINISO is the best option. And you can open it, see it, check it, and then get it. So it's a very good. Like whenever I go to MINISO, I see like 1,100 people buying umbrella. At least one umbrella they buy. So that is why I got this interesting one, and it's good for rains, you know. Delhi is not raining. I don't know what kind of rain does come. Like, do update me. Does even Delhi rain, or it is just that I'm just still waiting for some heavy rains here? Okay. So yeah, these were the interesting things which I bought from MINISO, and since I bought so many things, MINISO gifted me a CC cushion green tea moisturizing, which looks like this. Now I'll open it and show it to you guys. Now what I was expecting when I read this was that there will be a CC cream, like a moisturizing cream, but I think it is something like that only. I'm not quite disappointed with the free product I got because it's not something flimsy. So this is how it looks like. And then you get this sponge, and then you open it and you get something like this. I've still not removed the sticker, and it's not very bad shade, I would say, because I've seen some wonderful reviews on MINISO makeup, and definitely I'm not even cribbing because they don't cater us their whole makeup range. So this is how it is, you know. If I try to blend it, it just blends in. Like I've used it one day on my face. So it is like a CC cream only. See. It's like a CC cream, but it will just give you a little flawless finish, I would say. So I'm not quite disappointed with my free product. So I'm really happy to receive this. So this is for... This was for 720 rupees. I remember. This was for 720. So in that way, it was good. I'm not saying that when you buy so much, you get a gift. I don't know. I was surprised because last time I shopped for 3,000 something. They didn't give me anything. So I think maybe they just wanted to give me. Thank you, MINISO. So I hope you loved watching this interesting haul. And I will be sure coming up with something more interesting. Till then, take care and bye-bye.